of shit make you reminisce. Close your eyes, I'ma take you back to 1990. Wait, hold up, rocks up on my wrist.
My boy Chevy Malibu. He already put on the LED projector. Lights, you know, got to see it. Then he had a DR rail down at the bottom. But what I'm about to do is that his turn signals on a single filament bulb. So what I'm about to do is I'm gonna wire these turn signals. Where they at? Where the box stuff? That box right here. Wire these turn signals right here. Plug them into the factory socket. But I'm gonna wire each one to the fuse box to a switch fuse. So every time you cut the car on, they come on with it. So alright, so I had to find a fuse that's switched. So only when the activation of the car comes on. So that's the LED, the DR rail. And as soon as I hit this turn signal, switchback. So it switches to yellow, white. And as soon as I hit this turn signal back, go right back to white. Done deal. About to wrap this up. Done. Add a fuse. DR rails. Put the hazard lights on. So should be both work. Find where the hell the hazard. There you go. Let's see. Yes, sir. Look at that. Yep. That's a wrap.